Today I'm in Makueni County, and like you all know, Makueni is known for its dry status. But there is something incredible that happens in Makueni, production of the sweetest fruit in Kenya. And like you all know me, I like eating. That's why I'm in Makueni. I want to show you something. With me, here's the normal orange. I told you there are amazing things happening here. An extraordinary fruit that is pink in color. They are from one farm known as Two Brothers Pixie Farm.
Oh, welcome, Fred. How are you?
I'm very fine.
Welcome to the Two Brothers Pixie Farm.
Thank you.
Here, it is the home of the best pixies and other orange varieties. And there is no other way to welcome you here other than giving you a taste of the fruits.
It's like you already know me. You know, they say if you want to get to a man's heart or to Fred's heart,
It's through the stomach.
it's through the stomach.
Right. So, karibu sana Two Brothers Pixie Farm.
Makueni is known as semi-arid area.
Right.
Sometimes it gets very hot
Very, very hot.
and the rivers dry.
True.
How did you come up with the technology of grafting pixies and the pixie fruit for productivity? How do you come up with that?
Hey, Fred, by the you are very, very lucky you came during the rain seasons. You can see it's green all over. The fruits are doing really well. You can see it's very green right now. But when you come during the dry seasons, hey, mazee kujoto inachapa kuchapa. Makueni is among the asal regions of Kenya. And basically here, we have like two rain seasons. The ones around May and the December rains, OND. Now, I think because of that hot climate, it's one of the things that make our fruits to be really, really sweet, even if it's so much dry. Because with the incorporation of grafting, you can graft drought-resistant trees like lemons with tangerines, other lemon varieties, and tangerines. So that's basically what we are doing. We are doing the grafting. We use lemon as the rootstock, and the science, you can use tangerines, you can use oranges, and any other variety of lemons like the Maya lemons, variegated lemons, all these varieties.
You know, farmers usually faces a lot of challenges. And I like the fact that you've adopted the technology that you've introduced to the people of Makueni. But there are so many other farmers who are following me, who are watching this, who would like to know why grafting? How is grafting done? How is Two Brothers Pixie Farm doing the grafting? And why is it so?
One, you need to understand that, for example, this one is called the Washington Navel oranges.
The Washington Navel oranges.
This one is.
Let me get mine. Let me get mine. The biggest
yours.
one.
The biggest.
I'm getting even two.
Yes.
Yes.
That's all right.
Uh-huh.
Now, see, for this one,
Yes.
it's totally seedless. So that means if you want to raise varieties for the Washington Navels,
Yes.
you need to perform grafting as a way of raising the seedlings. And we only do that with the facilitation of lemon seedlings, which we raise as the rootstock.
Yes.
That's now what you are planting as the base. Now, by grafting, you are able to achieve they mature within a short period of time. That's
Yes.
2 years.
Okay.
That's the main purpose of grafting. They mature within a short period of 2 years, unlike the ungrafted seedlings, which can take up to 6 years to start fruiting. Now, with grafting, you also get high-yielding trees, unlike the others.
So for a farmer who is watching us as of this moment, if they want grafted seedlings,
Mhm.
will you sell to them, or you've just your clientele is just your farm? You're grafting them for your farm and also for people's around Makueni. Do you sell to other farmers outside Makueni?
Hapo nayo umefika.
Uh-huh.
We sell our seedlings. We even export to Uganda. We export to West Africa, to South Africa. We sell to farmers countrywide around Kenya and to the neighboring countries. We provide seedlings. We are certified by KEFIS. We are allowed to export, but we have to follow the guidelines. Like we have to remove the soil. We have to remove the leaves. Our seedlings are healthy. It's the best you can get.
For the farmer interested with seedings, this kind of seeding, because I'm also carrying a few with me, this kind of a fruit, I would like it to grow, not just even for commercial purposes, also in my kitchen garden.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have arrangement of sending these seedlings to them, or they need to come to the farm to come and get them by themselves?
There are two things. You can decide to come to the farm,
Yes.
or you can decide we do a delivery. If, for example, you are in Mtwapa, we can organize a delivery for you, but at your cost, you have to pay for the delivery.
Which is the receipt number that you can send to a farmer?
Our minimum order quantity is 10 seedlings.
10 seedlings and above.
10 seedlings and above.
10 seedlings and above.
Yes.
That is good. But if they come to the farm, can they get less than 10, or they have to buy 10?
If you come to the farm, you can get even one.
You can get even one.
Even one.
Interesting. You have showed me only these. You said it's
Washington Navel oranges.
Washington Navel oranges.
Yeah.
Which other fruit are you, or other varieties are you grafting?
For the orange varieties, we have these Washington Navel oranges. We have Caracara oranges, which are less acidic, and they are very, very sweet, and they are pink inside. We have Pixie oranges, the sweetest. We have Valencia, and we have Mineola orange. We have, for the tangerines category, we have the normal Sandaras. We have clementines. Have you heard of those?
No.
We have honey tangerines. And then we have, for those. And for the lemon varieties, we have the prestigious variegated lemon. We have Maya lemons. We have lime. We have the other one called Mombasa lime. We have Lisbon lemon, the seedless lemons. Yeah.
Wow, that's quite a good number. I think I need to carry all the varieties that you mentioned. The varieties you mentioned, do they have a specific climatic region they need to grow? For example, in Makueni only, or they can be done also in cold areas in island areas?
What you need to understand is that citrus fruits will do well. For example, in our country, they'll do well in the hotter areas.
Yes.
In the warmer areas.
Yes.
That is basically the lower eastern and the coast region. You can also plant them even northeastern.
Yes.
But you can as well plant them in the mountains.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, they will not be as sweet as the ones from the lowlands.
But the production they are going to produce in that region.
Sure.
Only thing that will matter, the only difference will be the sugar content.
The sugar content, yeah.
I understand that you're working with quite a good number of farmers, both small scale, medium scale, and large scale farmers.
Yeah, true.
What kind of services are you offering to farmers in reference to fruit farming?
The first thing we offer farmers is the seedlings.
The seedling, that is the first thing.
That's the first thing.
Yes.
Secondly, we also offer grafting services. If you have your seedlings and you need them to be grafted, or already mature trees and you need them to be grafted, or you have oranges and you need them to be converted into tangerines, we offer grafting services. Thirdly, we also offer consultancy services. That is, you can call us, we come to your farm, We assist you in farm layout. We show you how to do the holes, the spacing, how to do terraces, and the whole thing about growing of citrus fruits. We also give you spray programs and advise you on which pesticide to use and which ones to avoid.
And in connection to that, there is something that I have a sharp eye. There is two things that I've seen in your farm. You have a nursery and you have a farm.
Sure.
Does it mean that farmers can come and get training on how to grow these in your facility?
Absolutely. We welcome farmers to visit us. We show them around, we train them, we advise them on which one to plant as per your region. And we also welcome farmer groups, CBOs, youth groups, women groups. We deal with all those people.
The juicy part of this conversation, and this is now the farmer's question. I'm asking as a farmer, if I invest in citrus farming, let's say these, remind me the name, the variety?
Washington Navel.
The Washington Navel variety. What is the production quantity when it's at maximum production?
I'll give you for like example, this one right here.
Yes.
This tree is around 10 years old.
10 years old, yeah.
10 years old.
Yes.
In this tree, in 1 year, under good management,
Yes.
you are supposed to be harvesting between 200 to 350 kgs.
200 to 350 kgs.
Yes, per tree.
Per tree.
Yes.
And how many trees do you have in an acre?
By the spacing of 4 meters by 5, you will get 150 trees per acre.
Per acre. And do you sell in kgs, or how do you sell how do they sell the fruit? All in numbers?
Per kg.
Per kg.
A kg is normally...
So it's, let's say 200 times 150. That is around 3 tons of this one.
Yes.
And a kg is going for?
For these ones, it's 50 Kenya shillings.
50 Kenya shillings.
Yes.
That are good money. They are going to do the calculation and see how much they are earning out of that. That is the question they would have asked me. That's why I was so intentional in asking it. Then my question now, how from when you plant the seedling, the young seedling, to when you start harvesting, how long does it take?
2 years. 2 years.
2 years, you've gone to the market.
2 years. For all grafted seedlings, they are supposed to take 2 years, whether it's avocado, whether it's apples, whether it's mahembe, that's mangoes.
Yes.
2 years.
Okay. Then a farmer who want to reach out to you, who want now to talk to you, because after these, I've already, I work for farmers. I've already given them what they wanted to know. So I don't want anybody to send me back to Makueni to come and look for you. Any farmer who want to reach out to you, want to visit you for training, who want to get the seedlings, how do they get to you? Your contact.
Thank you. We are located in Makueni. For those intending to come to the farm, we are located in Makueni, 2.5 kilometers from Kangini. That's along the road to Ndumbi Secondary School. On Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, Two Brothers Pixie Farm. Our number is 0713 245 423. Thank you.
And those who are outside Kenya, you have to include code 254 to the number you mentioned. 254, mention the number.
254 plus 254 713 245 423. Thank you.
Asante.